Hello guys, hello to everyone. In today's video, I will tell you and I will show you how to activate the promo code and get the maximum bonus up to $500. First of all, for this we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the description. Next step, go to the application. If you have an account, then log out of it. After that, you need to click registration. I will choose in one click. And the current country is United States, and current value US dollar. Select our bonus is sport or casino. I will choose sports. Next, enter the current promo code is ZANOS24, and confirm this. Tap there. After loading, after loading, we will see our login and password. Write it down and automatically get into the menu. Guys, I will also clarify that any promotional code gives a deposit bonus only once. Be careful and remember this. In order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any question, then ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Goodbye and good luck to all. Have fun.